I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to use the note cards in Noodle tools. Note cards are really great because they can link right to your source. They make it easy for you to write your paper later, and you can even use them in your outline. But they're only great if they are used effectively. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. Let's pretend that I found a really great source that I want to use in my paper. What you should not do is highlight this entire section of the source, press copy, and paste it into the note card. Okay, this is not an effective use of your note card, and this is not the way to quote a source. So instead of your note card looking like this, a good note card looks something like this. So I've got a title that explains the main idea of the note card, okay, and it's descriptive so I don't get it mixed up with other ones. I've got one quote here, just one. So I've read that entire article and I've picked out one piece of evidence. So just like in our last outlines where we selected one piece of evidence, one sentence or two sentences, you're going to do that here too. So each piece of evidence for your paper needs to go on its own note card. And that's just so that it'll be easier for you to organize it later when you're doing your outline and you're laying out everything for your report. I've also linked it to a source. So I put all of this in my bibliography first so that in the drop-down menu I can link it to the source so I know exactly where I got it. And I've also put a URL that can lead me back to that bigger section of text if I ever want to look through it again and find more quotes. You can use multiple note cards for the same source. If for any reason you can't figure out just one quote or just two quotes, you want to have a whole section of information, instead of using quotes, you can paraphrase or summarize a section of text. So that's just another option for you to do. And once I've finished up this note card, I'm going to hit save, and it'll appear right there on the tabletop. So let me know if you have any questions about how these note cards work and how to use it to put together your paper.